Dee Dee, give me a candy. Theo, please sit down and fasten your seatbelt. Otherwise, you could get hurt. All right, Mrs. Unicorn. If you behave well, there will be a surprise for you. Yay!
Dee Dee, you shouldn't throw trash out the window and pollute the environment.
Dee Dee! Dee Dee, don't pollute the environment. This is bad.
I got it, Mr. Unicorn. Theo, put your hand in. You could hurt yourself. Be careful. Why did we stop?
The traffic light is showing red, which means we can't go. But let me show you. Red, you can't go. Yellow, get ready. Green, go.
And you can only walk on the white stripes, as if everything else is lava. Got it?
Hurry, kids. Cross the road. Hurry, kids. Cross the road. Well done. And now, let's finally continue our journey.
You can't bring scissors on the airplane. Huh? Dolls are allowed.
Yoo-hoo!
You can't bring fireworks on the airplane. What? We need to hide it in a safe place. You can't take magnets on the airplane. You can't bring food and drinks on the airplane. You can't bring flowers on the airplane.
Achoo! 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 This is for you.
Everything is fine. Now you can fly.
Yay! Woohoo!
Have a safe flight.
What happened?
Felix is afraid of water.
We should help Felix. Felix, don't be afraid of water.
But what about underwater monsters?
Let's imagine that we're underwater.
Open your eyes.
Wow. Just try it.
See? No monsters at all.
Huh? Don't be afraid.
And what's that? This is ink. We use it for drawing.
Wow. Yeah. Oh. Huh, what is this? Felix, stop.
Help!
I'm coming.
You said it wasn't scary here.
In the water, you just need to be careful. Oh. That's a shark. Don't swim towards it.
What's that? Just bubbles. Don't be afraid. Aha! There's the shark again.
It needs help.
be careful. It's coming back. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh. Wow. Wow. Huh? You need to be careful in the water.
And also near the water.
Yeah.
He's afraid.
Now I'm not afraid of water.
Huh? Huh?
And now to the dragon. Oh, Theo, we should ask our parents. Mimi, are we little kids? Ugh. I swim like a fish, even though I'm a fox. Ready to go? See you later, scaredy cats. I am Theo, the Dragon Tamer. Oh, Didi, I think he's stuck. Let's run. We need to help him. But we should ask first. No time. We can do it. You're right. Let's go. Mimi, Didi, help! I'm stuck. But how? We got stuck too.
Ho, ho, ho! You are now at my mercy.
And who are you?
I am the dragon, the spirit of the water park.
Let us go.
No, you have violated the rules of my water kingdom, and you will never leave here.
But we know the rules.
Then undergo 4 challenges and prove that you know my rules. Are you ready?
The first rule is to always wear armbands.
Okay. The first challenge. You must catch armbands or a ring within 10 seconds and put them on yourselves. The challenge completed.
The second rule, do not push other kids.
The second challenge. Run through the obstacle course without touching any figure on the way. The second challenge completed.
Yeah!
Now you. What is the third rule in my water kingdom?
The third rule. I know. The third rule is to take turns.
The third challenge. Cross to the other shore, 1 by 1. Oh. The third challenge complete.
Hooray! We completed all the challenges. Quiet! It's not over yet.
You're right. There's one more challenge left. And to pass it, I should let you go to your parents. Go, and do not break the rules of my water kingdom anymore.
Mom, can we go to the dragon slide? Well, of course. Just don't forget your armbands. Sure, already wearing them. Theo, you quickly memorize the rules. Oh, what if we get stuck again? No, we didn't break any rules. And we also met the spirit of this water park, and he's not scary at all. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm in the lead.
You!
You're too big, Mimi. It would be cool if we could become small and go wherever we want. Now we are absolutely very small. Vroom, vroom. Zoom, zoom. Whoosh, whoosh.
Where are my keys?
Oh, let's run.
Maybe they're in the kitchen.
Here are the keys. Wow. Now they are too heavy for us little ones. We need to show Dad that the keys are here. But he's in the kitchen, and we're too tiny to get there. Oh! Huh? Woohoo! Huh.
Oops!
Ouch, ouch, ouch!
Huh?
Dad! Dad!
Huh? It seems like Mimi's calling me. I need to clean up the sugar and find her.
Daddy, here are your keys.
Wow! Thank you! I wouldn't have found them at all. How can I repay you?
We want Flakes to become big.
Flakes are a good choice because they make children strong.
Hooray!
Mimi, we're leaving. Don't open the door for anyone.
Otherwise, some villain will come.
I wonder who is the villain.
Oh no.
Let's go. We need to close the window.
Open the door.
The villain has come.
The villain is the black monster Shadow. He climbs into windows and steals light from houses. And now he climbed into our window and stole all the light. Then it carries the bag with the light into its dark cave and hides the light under a huge stone.
Why does it steal the light?
Because the eyes have been hurting from light since childhood. So it wants it to become dark everywhere. No. The villain is a big red-haired clown. He enters the house to amuse the kids. Yay! But in reality, he steals toys. Theo, why does the clown need toys? He's already an adult. He just didn't have toys when he was a child. No. Theo, Mimi, the villain is not the Shadow or the clown. Then who? The villain is an angry bear. He goes from house to house and picks up small kids. He carries them into the dark forest to his bear's house. And why does he take the kids? He plays with them because no one played with him when he was a child. Oh, do you hear that? Someone entered. This is the villain. Kids, what's happened? Mommy, the villain has come. He wanted to steal our toys and take us into the forest. He knocked and shouted, "Open the door!"
I'm not the villain. I'm an electrician. I fixed your lights.
Kids, you did well.
You must not open the door for anyone.
Even for the electrician.
This monster? It was definitely there. Where did it go? Ah! Look! It ran away. It's there. It's in the shower.
No monster.
Aha! Now there is. Leo, stop it! Ah! It ran to the living room. I caught it.
So did I.
The monster is there. I'll check. It's in the garage. Ow! Ah!
Mimi, where are you going? There's a monster.
I think it's scared of us too.
Huh?
Huh? Don't be afraid. My name is Mimi, and this is Theo and Didi.
Hi.
Do you want to play with us?
Oops.
Your turn.
Oops.
Where is everyone? Where's the monster?
Oh, why aren't you asleep?
We were playing with the monster.
Mimi, monsters don't exist.
They do. Look under the bed. Boo!
Whoa! Huh?
Boo!
Had fun, did you? Now let's go to bed.